Okay, so circuit 2 all the way down to our master 3-way, to our secondary 3-way all the way up. We're missing a cable tie here, or a point, single hole strap. Come all the way up. That's got to be cleaner. It's got to be tighter. There's our load with our 12-inch of takeoff. I don't know what I call that. What was I telling you to do? The takeoff? What was I calling it?
Guys, where's the silk peppers? There was a box of them.
Was that?
6 inches.
No.
Not talking about the 6 inches?
No, it was 12-inch. It was a service loop.
6, 12.
Service loop is what I was thinking. Huh? You did. Cool. Good.